portfolios are built to create long-term value, but most teams still manage valuations and cash flow with disconnected models that break the moment assumptions change. What we see again and again is fragmented modeling. Critical data lives in different places, updates don't flow through automatically, and teams spend more time reconciling models than analyzing performance. By the time leadership gets numbers, they are already outdated, making it harder to act with confidence. Across the industry, disconnected system and poor data integration are making cash flow forecasts inaccurate, limiting visibility for leaders and even destroying real asset value. It's not just insufficient, it's directly impacting returns, compliance, and investment decisions. That's exactly why we built a connected asset modeling platform to replace fragmented spreadsheets with real time integrated and scenario driven decisioning. Let me show you how Polestar Analytics Asset Modeling Intelligence Platform built on Pigment transforms this. This is a unified valuation and cash flow modeling system designed to give you real-time portfolio wide visibility across assets, SPVs, and tenants. With centralized assumptions and key value drivers, teams manage rents, escalations, operating costs, and capex in one connected model. Changes to key variable flow instantly across valuation and cash flow, giving teams full control over assumptions. With automated cash flow and NOI calculations, teams see both asset level and SP level cash flows in real time. Every update instantly rolls up, giving accurate visibility from property performance